Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today I'm participating in a DIY Decor for Spring collab hosted by Mary at Resourceful Mamas. And I will have a link to the playlist in the cards and in the video description below. And please check out all the other videos on the playlist. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and stay around for a while. I have created today this reversible Happy Spring block sign. When you turn it around, it has a different message, and I can turn it around so that it will say, "He has risen." If I can get them all, I did change the order of the letters, so it takes just a minute to get them in the right spot. But I can start it off with spring, and then I can make it more just for Easter, and I just think it's really cute and fun. So stick around and I'll show you how I made it. So step one, I went and found some old wood. The whiteboards are 1x4s that were primed already, and then a 1x2. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my smaller board, and my whiteboards, I just really need to prime the top edges. Now notice that I've cut my 1x4s in two different sizes, 3 that are short and 3 that are a little bit taller. And my 1x2 board is long enough that it will go across the top of 3 of the boards. Now I'm just taking some different craft paints that I have in some bright springy colors and painting each block with those colors. Nothing fancy here. In fact, my purple, I couldn't get it to work, but I am painting each of these boards, moving my fingers. Now with this, you can change up your painting style to fit your technique. If you like a more country farm style look, then showing some of that white underneath is just fine. If you want more of a modern look, then paint it with 2 or 3 coats to give it a nice solid finish. And the paints that I'm using actually, I think, came from an estate sale, so I didn't even pay the $1 or $2 that they cost at the craft store as I paint each of those blocks. Once the sides are dry, flip it over and paint the other side. Now I'm using some acrylic paint markers. The brand is Ohuhu. I'm not exactly sure how to say it. It's Ohuhu, and I will leave a link to it. These markers are really cool because they're actually paint inside. The first time you use them, you are going to have to shake them and then tap them, hold down that nib until the paint starts flowing. But once you do that one time, you don't have to continue to do that. So I've lined up my colors in the order that I want to use them, and I'm just writing on what I want it to say and then drawing a little flower. You could also do this with vinyl letters that you cut out or sticker letters that you cut out if you don't like your handwriting, but this was actually really simple. Now, while I was trying to get the markers to flow, my pink splattered on several of the blocks. So I decided to go with it and add splatters and dots onto all of the boards. Once they're dry, you're going to turn them over and you're going to make a new phrase. So I could have put like Happy Easter for this, and that would have fit perfectly, but I wanted to share He is risen because I like to celebrate the real reason for Easter. So I've written out He is risen on my boards. And I do have that one piece that's extra now because I had not quite as many letters. And then I realized you really can't see the white writing on that yellow block. So I decided to just paint yellow back over that and not use that yellow block for the words. And I'm going to put the words on my white block, He is, and then on my yellow block, I'm just going to draw a little picture. So I'm taking my green paint marker and I'm just making a little hill, and I kind of wanted to go different directions to help look like the grass. And then I just take the brown paint marker and draw some crosses. And then I'm going to add a couple little flowers on the grass and going up the cross just to make it look a little bit more springy. And I liked the dots so much on the other side, on the Happy Spring, that I decided to add the dots to the He Has Risen side as well. And on the yellow picture, I decided to add white dots to that one just to kind of help tie it all together and break up that yellow color a little bit.
I hope that you enjoyed this DIY spring decor video, and I hope that you will go watch all the other videos in the collab. The description will be below. And I hope that you will try this out. It doesn't cost much money, and it's actually pretty easy to do, but looks super, super cute. And if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and show me the love. And until next time, have a great day crafting away.